Interference. It can ruin the best wireless connection. So when Qualcomm engineers began work on a new wireless technology called Lte-U, they needed to know, would Lte-U harm Wi-Fi? Answer: no. Instead of showing you our boring lab test, we decided to demonstrate using these guys. All right, let's begin. Each pair of jugglers represents a Wi-Fi connection, passing data back and forth in the same channel of unlicensed spectrum. Nice. Now let's replace a Wi-Fi connection with an Lte-U connection and see if it impacts Wi-Fi. Green balls represent Lte-U. Our test showed the average capacity of the Wi-Fi connections actually increased. Lte-U and Wi-Fi living harmoniously, sharing the same spectrum fairly. The future of wireless is not up in the air.